Well, 1 year after a jury convicted former Fort Worth police officer Aaron Dean of manslaughter, his attorneys won his conviction overturned. A jury sentenced Dean to more than 11 years in prison for killing Atatiana Jefferson. 10 months and 12 days added as a reminder he killed Jefferson on October 12th. Dean shot the 28-year-old through her window during a welfare check in 2019. Matt Houston was in the courtroom today digging into why Dean's attorneys say he should get another trial. Matt, what is their argument?
Well, Dean's attorneys contend the lower court actually made a mistake by keeping that trial in Fort Worth, where the shooting drew significant attention and prompted protests, including in downtown behind me. They say there's just no way a Tarrant County jury could be impartial because the mayor, police chief, and other elected officials had already publicly expressed strong opinions about the case. But 3 years, including the pandemic, passed between the shooting and the trial. More than 40% of potential jurors said they'd never heard of the incident. The state argues there's just not proof. Media coverage of the shooting in 2019 impacted the jury's decision to convict in 2022. In fact, they say this kind of appeal has only overturned one such conviction in the last 60 years. That was the case against Jack Ruby, who shot Lee Harvey Oswald. Dean was not in court today. He remains in jail serving the 11-year manslaughter sentence. We expect the court's decision on his appeal to come in the coming weeks. Now, just 5 days ago, the city of Fort Worth agreed to settle a lawsuit related to this case. The nephew, who was playing video games with Jefferson and saw the shooting, will get $3.5 million under that agreement. That is the largest settlement in the city's history. In Fort Worth, I'm Matt Houston. Back to you.